Hello friends, welcome back. I am CA Rahman Bhamani and today we are going to discuss how you can invest just 10,000 rupees per month and make 1 crore rupees by investment in ETF. Yes, ETF. It is exchange traded funds. It is really possible friends that you can invest just 10,000 rupees, a small amount every month you can invest and you can become a crorepati. Let us see how it can be done. So when you type in Google ETF performance, the first thing that comes up is moneycontrol.com. So we'll open this. Here you can find Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF. And when you open this comes up. Now let us go down and see how much returns it has given. Friends, we are not interested in this returns on NAV because we are not going to make a lump sum investment. We are going to do an SIP or systematic investment plan. So SIP returns, here you can see friends, if you had invested for last 5 years, every month you had invested, then your annualized return would have been 31%, 31.9%. Now let's see how it should be calculated. So friends, here we are on the calculator side. You can do Google and find any other compound interest calculator website or any app. You can use any app, any website for calculating compound interest. So our initial investment will be 0 and thereafter interest rate will be 31%. Here it was showing 31.9%, but we'll just take 31% and we will invest for 20 years. Compounding interval would be yearly and regular contribution will be deposits of 10,000 rupees monthly. And we'll make this investment at the beginning of the month. Okay friends, did you understand? The rate of interest will be 31% yearly. We will invest for 20 years and we'll deposit 10,000 rupees per month. Now just you have to do is hit the calculate button. Here it is showing 99 millions. So if you observe, it is 9 crore. It is 9 crore 91 lakh 8,747. And your total investment was just rupees 24 lakhs. This is because the rate of interest is very high. We have calculated on 31% on this Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF. If we come back to our Indian ETFs, which is HDFC Nifty ETF, here you can see HDFC Nifty 50 ETF. So let us see the rate of interest it is given. So here it is giving 5 years return, it is giving 13.97%. So if we calculate on 13% also, you have to keep everything same, just you have to change this to 13%. This will be 13%. Initial investment will be 0. We will invest for 20 years. Compounding will be yearly. And we will do regular deposits of 10,000 rupees at the beginning of the month. Let us calculate. Here it is showing 1 crore 3 lakh 84,000. So here, as per Indian standards, if you do investment in Nifty also, then you can get 1 crore of investment. This one, Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 ETF, is mostly because of the rate difference. Because the rupee has depreciated very much against the dollar. Because of that also, this fund has performed very well. I want you to show another fund also, which is SBI ETF Sensex fund. So we saw Nifty, we will now see Sensex. SBI ETF Sensex fund is giving how much? SIP returns on 5 years is 14.59%. So let us calculate this also. Our calculation will remain same. Initial investment will be 0. Rate of interest will be 14%. We will invest for 20 years. Compounding will be yearly. Deposits of 10,000 rupees on monthly basis. Let us calculate. It will be 1 crore 17 lakh 34,741. So if you just tweak a little, let us come down to 13%. Let's say we are getting just 13%, not very high. but we are getting 13%. But what we'll do is we'll increase the deposits. Annually 5% will increase. So in the first year, if you are investing 10,000 rupees, from second year you will invest 10,500, and thereafter you will have to increase 5% every year. So let us calculate with this 5% increase in investment. So it gives you 1 crore 42 lakh. And here you can also check on a monthly basis, 10,000 you are investing, and this is the interest that you are getting. Then after first year, the investment will be 10,500. Then it will be 11,025. So this is the whole chart they have given, that how much you have to invest to earn this much of interest, or to earn this much of returns. Let us see if you are able to increase 10%, then your returns will be 2 crore 5 lakhs. So here you have to see the projections on monthly basis in a table format. So first year you will invest 10,000 rupees per month, then you will invest 11,000 rupees per month, then 12,100, and it will keep on increasing 10% every year. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you get to learn anything new in this video, and if you like my video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications of my video. Thank you.